There's a lot of times when you don't feel entirely comfortable and you don't really have the opportunity to talk about it.
It's interesting to be a part of the disability community when you have something that you can hide, because you can get a lot of judgment from all sides.
I'm Jay, and I'm 22, and the secret I chose is I'm bisexual, but I never took action or spoke about it openly. It never occurred as a secret to me. You know, it's always like, it's an obvious thing, and you don't feel the need to always share like the obvious things about you to your friends. And plus, everybody knew when I came out. I mean, they're all like, yeah, where were you? Like, so I don't know, I guess it wasn't ever really a secret, just to my mom and dad.
I'm Marlena, and I'm almost 27 next month. I have a bone disorder called spondyloepiphyseal dysplasia, and that's just a big fancy word meaning I'm a dwarf, and it's a bone disorder that can cause scoliosis and joint pain. When you look at me, I just look shorter. You can't really tell that I have scoliosis, which is a curve in the spine. It's hidden in my back. You can't really tell how much pain I'm in if I'm just walking along or sitting in an office chair. It's sort of like I can pass. It feels like I can pass.
I think bisexuality is especially difficult because it's almost the easier route to remain in like these hetero tendencies and not express sort of the other half of your personality or half of your desire and drive. There's a culture where you don't feel entirely gay or completely gay, which is just obviously completely wrong, but no, or feeling at least that there's different levels of being gay and being comfortable with your gayness.
It's scary to be disabled and either want to hide it or share it. You can get judged using a handicapped parking permit, and people will give you looks and say, you don't really deserve to be using that. Like, why are you using that? Questioning you. And then within the disability community as well, if it's something they can't see, sometimes people will also question why you identify as disabled.
Not that I've ever personally experienced any sort of discrimination or negativity when I'm, you know, with my lesbian or gay friends, but I don't know, it exists, and it's kind of, even if it's not necessarily out there, it's a subconscious thing as well.
I think when I tell people that I have a bone disorder, the best reaction is that they can be understanding, empathetic or sympathetic, and understand that pain is a thing, even if it's invisible.
Always come to any sort of friendship with a very open perspective and open mind, because, I mean, they could help you find yourself in such powerful ways.